I used to done boy, yeah, new community, but I'm familiar no dream. Even an area board me Jay. There were Ghanaians who came to the stadium to support Ghanaian. I mean, because Nigeria 14, when I Ghana for into Ghana for, but the support Ghana for, not necessarily the Black Stars, but we are also grateful to those who turned up to watch the matches. Until the week we asked it.
I know, I am somewhere Henry Asante Tum, and so activity to just say, Omo be bias for that massive supporter. And no answer it me call Erema and Blasters, no, because no man could be still. So much me here now, or more das, never be answer it me a coye, answer it more, not more sit for money, a lawyer about Baganian football, more your pania, or can some more dim year pa, and so it me, our Hana, what didn't come up, none come dear back, no, say a brand here, friend of Kudus Mohammed, no, or call Western Martin, or effective for Bonahomodin, Baba Bagan and fa. Nanona Moses form when he say. Ghana no ye boa brante fe no Kudus out of position yintie ne nsem oka e de fa asasem no
no me da no say e bisa no one question madam ba because na Kudus here ball e wo UP we so Kudus e yin fa na wo ball e wo Ayash and that's wo West Ham part of the pitch then wo ball I didn't know about Ghana because and that is his preferred position because the one to me attack well and that is his optimal position about Ghana e be a wo the open so for the middle of the park because you want to control it doesn't fit that center of the park or to be 1 or 2 but his capacity to recover slow from the takeoff it's they play him on the wing and when they play him on the wing he's very effective it's because I didn't think that during the course of the match we cannot bring him to do what he does in his team where he's comfortable the match I can say Central African Republic he was there share within a space of 10 minutes he tied together on the right with this young man Kakao Ishaku all the 3 goals came from the right side.
And no, and as someone lawyer Moses form when and Kasa Brofin 7 Sebota Frache, Omunimio, so I'm going to wins who by the bias on good enough view. Intending man a born and so ent me and room pempenswa. It's a say drew. Now, Moses form when lawyer and so side in Comobium at the far Otuado, who not yentin some opening a car at the far Otuado, say on to us, say on co yentino.
To go to he's a good guy and I loved his passion. I see Ghana lose your own coffee because in a family there's somebody who loves the country who's a Ghana and I think he's somebody we can trust and we can leave the team to for some time.
And no one and someone lawyer Moses form when you two just say a brand ten and I so real from to our man and famano because none other because it's a Ghana lose want to be in coffee. Just what Dogana Pegana, 70 young supporting on Nafi won't to me yet, Mano, and Vamo Maya, Jeffrey Ghana, Jeremy, someone, a free hall bar made air to an Ignatius or Safe Su, a coach and as assistant coach, and the mother Sudan national team, no reference to Kostiapia, and a boy, Manon qualify no baby drew Ghana, no bed drew Ghana, yet as a old did in command and commodine no say. For the last bad 10 years, Coach Kostiapia, he's been the best manager. Or no, and so I can what your manager, you're blasters. No,
even before I worked with him, I admired him so much because for me, he's the best Ghanaian in the last 10 years to handle the Black Stars. I had always hold this view, and in Ghana, there are people who are for you, people who are against you. I was a neutral, but for me, you can say I was for him because I liked his style, and for the mere fact that he's a Ghanaian, and because at that time, I was aspiring to coach the Black Stars. So if there is a Ghanaian coaching the Black Stars, yes, he might have his own problems. It's not always rosy with coaches. But then, I think he was there because starting a qualifier, from what I have come to know, and ending a qualifier is a huge responsibility.
I know, I coach Ignatius and someone. Or the etuja na okasa wo bo qualify say a huge responsibility no a dent na a huge responsibility na dent no okasa coach Kotiapia no a best coach in the last 10 years we Ghana nia was if am managing was he edumre bi manage Asamoah manage Sulemo manage Didayu these are top guys but one team coach a friend Kotiapia ho asem da na no da ya kra you say no mo ya dey na Jordan a complete open the chance open no one person the player management skills no was wrong.
Players you begin with sometimes to change form. You understand? And you have to bring in new players and what have you. So it is huge. And knowing that at that time, what were the players he was coaching? Asamoah John Mensah, John Pinsel, Suleiman Terry, Michael Essien. These were big players, and you never heard anything bad. So you knew that his man management style was good.
Eno eye Ignatius and someone oka e dia for coach e friend Kwasi Apia ho mo ho ye ba foot am e ba ye mfiri ho na ye ndin komo club football na has of folk and so atman e ball weekends we kunadu yi adom aye player onu fusi na kan e de matimo ye friend Accra so for say pressure bia ni omo so ma win 3 matches atwas na say pressure e ball mo so say e do e so mo toas no mutimi din nkunim no se dabi pressure bia ni ho a e wo timo e friend Accra has of folk so
pressure be a more sabi put his match hotel to say more there is no play under pressure now so be so they are training
na pressure bia ni omo so de ya tro mo no ye enso e wo training ground so ntiere ne semo a opani no enso e de tu na has fans no kunadu yadom e ka bibi e de kire has of folk fans no say e no kai
team match last game and you match final match so be a boy who match be we say I prepare for this match they've been there for us time and them dinner na no way cheap the record one say you support here say the support here you match now.
Eno ne nsemo a kunadu yadom de tu dwa se mra na emu odin no omo support yo omo ntie nei omo en support yo omo sana afi no ma no entimi enkoye mfama timu a Jefen Accra hasofok no munuanom kumase asande kotokonso ya ade omo ebobo omo so mewuram e wodoma hinkro na afi nyampa akwasiada omo ne Aduana Football Club enso e de abom nano ada na ese abranta ye frɛ no Fred Kasari entimi enye trainer nam se na prakakra enso etimi ho but report no kire se obeka team no ho na afi ko mo ko eye doma no ono enso etimi aka ho no mako enso akwa akoginam na uwuram adakogya achi amame adakogya achi the Kings project no latest free ho ba no say AstroTurf no enso ya de eba ho and because timu se aye ready a ne santuwe video na utimu se omo enso alle grounds no e de abo no enso atimi agusu mame adakogya achi video no because wo mame adakogya achi video na omo ntimi hu de midi hu komo no enso etimi ho ha ante adakogya achi video ni nie utimu hu se nyoma ekos e wadakogya achi the Kings project no e ya de abibia no enso ejinegina mu a ekoye enso etimi ho na Kumasi no kotoko enso I install gym e de ama boys na e obadu mo enso e da no because mo se ube free e ye fumesa ho ababe wurom enso e wadakogya achi no na ese time ko di so match sa gym equipment na from adakogya achi e da akoma players no enso wo obadu mo te no ntie ne udidi ya no aba ase ho na oba be gym no masa fo bi a oye gym instructor obetimi a training boys na ma hoden enso timi aba ntie ne nyoma Kumasi no got company for no e ye se ne ma betima koyi enso e de ama omo no nsem kakra efri ho ba me to na no on say me ho ayefe ye the Quebec fashion ti ma mencha Quebec fashion one o mayo ano ne o mema ni na ma mencha mo for the wonderful job amaye o me ado ato ho na mo ntino nya mencha mo na ontimi anya mo kese fancy aba o de nsem ni na no enso e ba fancy di Maria na bibia boko de
Vras bibia fine na o say omo ye nyina ma kotoko place na still muntimi mobo
ai really now ho really now
so manager na na so bia coach na wo coach no say nkoyi na say coach na nya de a asem kan wo player no so gina pitch no so
then also yeah question na modu ba modu
and say bia ba adwuma producer nya de a
na say wonya
no ba toto ababa
dabi wonya ne sa so ba no so abobo aho na in case of emergency
well Sharak mame Michael Sarebodu post on Facebook
Mickey
mame the post on Facebook e hear me pa very necessary
Mr. Bodu but post BB
okay
Mr. Bodu chadu we no me hu na me say asem we di asem bo
omo TV ni omo monitor Facebook
90+8
Ruben Amorim be born first game weekend na ayeden I was so a press conference. Now Mike NSA 90+8 Ipswich 1 United 0 and Ruben Amorim in assistant
that is not the man who is amfa the new blend me aba as I grab here so na here you
asem ni fie dem ya be so ko
asem ba nkura ni eno asa ba ku bi o se wo wiase a make sure say over useless say do bi obi an use you na me papa e kura de ba asem ni
ai ageta was say eno training crowd chain now oh masa
nese tactics no
yeah so mo training kakra no afra ma dialo wo mo kakra no afra Alejandro Garnacho oh my we say there United Kobe Mainu crowd am say was some Kobe Mainu mo hu no more me say yes say Rashford and both close to go hey to Rashford the not to say baby
intenten no ho na
Marcus Rashford close no number can be Tuesday so mo your first training session you say I'm so one of the best sessions ever hey
and you say United more there
United win over 2.5
no
and I also say we be show 1090
plus 90 plus 8 no say 1 na say they are some about United but mo do mo ndaso
oh coach na djuma oye dey see na be kodi anke be ye
ba so status na oye ne sa no ye bomu pe ni abo be 15 minutes now status na sin Kenya e ho na asem ne ho no
well yes everyone so ya kwena your stories ama ya chefo enano break akra bi na fe ya ba ye 9:30 mame fanto anim say wuram ensom obobo kwa fan say no enso United ani nyina na aye training ensensem no ana chase dem aye chefo enano pay ensom awo shoro so dia men say kan nyina no say yes players no mo na no won so impress aye coach na ya fan say Robin Amorim obi ya wese from now on Monday about say manager no be starting the training session no and some edika update to be also Sakabiano yet update no more and some adamao now say the urban nyina say player na your father say Rashford no and so so ball close to go now Chesanyo na boy anymore I so call manager no so aso ya I'm saying the technical team no mfu say anima p and some asie I was United players from our bra I was some let me tap and new man and kebi a boy so bet me ya wo so say be a coach saba kono nyina no woman timi anta posani o mano ensom afi boys no wo mo de wo so betimi ana de me say kan nyina no ensom ana say omo wodie say amado ba branch over say Rashford abo ensom awo training abedadi awoni a ye fa say match day games no ma onsam nyina no ye de ema ye tem for enano pay ensom awo shoro so yanko Arsenal na urama ensom awo soba real tie enra wo so training session aba so good news no ensom ana say Arsenal wo ma kwara fa say quarantine one some aye training and so my team no and one just a patternum and just a corona can no one some other back and yama weekend one so game boss archers and no and some can almost way and some about who some no yet the amateur for ebium and some aye Chelsea wo ko no so emra one training session of basso na jaminya say and one Kadani and some Arabetro, Moise Caicedo, and what Romeo Lavia, Barca were proud went to me on international break. No, what are some Tron and Enra, and some Fernandez and Nico Jackson. Woman, you know, some other Drew and our Kobama, woman so Tron session, and some Nabasuna, Asamba, I couldn't say. I brought Tavern Service James, Ebium, woman about 2 generals was Sanka Copra, not just a recently, almost say, why to say biscuit, essence, Yaka. Biscuita usom wana bu to mutiri abasa play wano some other some biscuit no mom adeba ko aha dwane se enwa ye benya chance some protest no bia womo some soldier adu guris aso say I say born okwa na real football I just ayere no opra ama just rules ahana pa na yes boy ni say asem amanfo be fu say ono wo sheda say bia obepra na wen ana ayene de say bia obobo wonom our form na bia ono so bra I just what to fie no any tetabi enti mami ni post okomaki and some just IG now don't can you understand Mua motena se bia onyo obi a ono ne fese wa pra anasempo ne dese wa pra mo na sa message what dey ko ensom adama mo a wodiri e ba so damase ene mo messages a mo send ensom adaba ebiem ensom ade se won wan kasa ahwanim se kwambia so no wo betimi aye okay na praway enso aye another challenge enso ade mana aye challenge accepted ebiem ensom ade se wo fa akonya enso esanse bronya ensom abansa say a festive season and your man son come and family be and some some captain and some other two weekend in Yamia Tuma watching our game I early kick off and so our Emra make trust and Leicester City yes but for be junior myself coach way on Yano Kofo not Chelsea by I'm saying one you cry and will cast what Ebium 1 year some I'm processing and so our shoes Ukuye and I catch them so and the US said Yamokra and Wamokramwa Yawi so joining Chelsea no what Chelsea according 2 weeks and some our shoes in today won't buy a Leicester saying and a reception our Kempa Stadium and some Nabasiako Mama Chelsea coach your friend Enzo Maresca or say on what the just walk back a game and Jamal Leicester Sansa Wamon Papa I am for Chancellor Madana Braba I want your baby corner Chasabusana Wamusam Director no woman any persons on and a man opportunity man by Juma our championship what the air Juma Adama Chelsea International Nania Giabas all come back to Kempa and Enzo Maresca.
Well, excited and also thankful because it was fantastic season. I met there people that is very difficult to find in football. The owner, his family, they are fantastic people, fantastic human beings. They care for players, staff, all the people that they work inside the club, and you can see that. The sport director, John Rudikin, to be honest, was fantastic season, first of all, because I met good people, and then in terms of players was top, was fantastic.
Yes, and I am some manager fans and so Maras can out test your daily exams MI for an annual pay and some our show so I was from my Diana Yakawa some manager and fans of pep. What also about standing a contract and Yabiano Yabaka some atronama for him so Ebia can say Quanin and also Basuma Emra. One of the official announcement about say coach now your fans of pep when you say now say ni stay and as an stint and some our city no a didn't come decade now just say will come 10 years will be our 4 years our Barcelona will be 3 years our Bamunchen Waba City will come 10 seasons and no and a manager no I say you want to just say I knew my people be what dream now want to mean Man City won't call a man in a year a BM some man say Man City a club at Danakuma so what was a double corner man for Surono ya discuss I'm a apostle I can remember your terms City focus I'm saying 150 a baby over city any for house of Emra nebi mom and to kasa you be find there and answer bia woman other find the bobokua you find some Man City say woman you not guilty not just a Man City and some any for to bem our charges in mu na you be say coach and say drink to them who stay no yen some manager for the superb and some other man some trouble.
I felt I could not live now. Simple as that. Don't tell me the reason why. Maybe the fourth defeat was the reason why I felt that now I cannot live. And yeah, I felt the club still want me or have the fact that they were together, and that's why we signed. First because we won a lot. Otherwise you don't stay 11 years. Not even here in a place like I feel love. Here's a business, you have to win and have a contract, but I know if we don't win, maybe I will not continue. So I know exactly that doesn't mean as a paper that even we don't need it. It's just the feeling that the moment now will feel is done. The club will know it, and that moment didn't feel.
Yes, and all I can free manager fantasy papa swear and so I depend on pay life for sure so fay my men fan to Bobokua your fantasy bounce at them and say can you understand say no here Bobokua fantasy bounce and Lamin Jamal now one say medical about to just a point no one some other so extending the contract to my side your fantasy SC Barcelona details now details and some other say and Lamin I was 17 years Nyamia Dom Nasa Kodano when you're fit at the cow and you're 18 years and I could extend the contract at the call I get 6 more years I'm at Barcelona 6 more years mate sir Barca for say I get 1 billion euros. I know, and about just a bar clause 1 billion euros. I know, and I'm going to share my just a details on the academy. I know, and know some other man almost say story American about to just a player now. Your father said Dion, I know, and some I be almost a moto. Now, German second in the transfer market in Libya. Woman some other Dion Gabato so as Sansa Omatiria Bassett the Otoa Yabato Anna Dion Nusibia. I'm set him Saudi on Sompa and no, and some way up to Tabafe Yanam Sullivan Donsky. One on any Ferdinand as I interview. Now, Ferdinand Ebisan say, oh, 36 years. A dear new man, and a dear was a senna, a mount that's so popo, Elkuanim, I would also a instrumental Asian goals, and some other boss and empotame of buying, and I will say, over to me, Popo, the other to love we are. Once so what drew us was a crab at 23, bad 22 and 24 more. I don't catch on Sabono, or retire say, not the wife, no man costing on the Naciano, and some more brand also Banio Bia, one also Pomodon Samano, one funny agro to a chimney chance, Sabio, Ebia Canonum, Yabeni say recipe, no, Mount for yen change or background, no much on Dariasa later, no adjustment, a Jibia so banner proposing, a German Sabia, the training regiment, and Yabia Kenya would be and a Sanya Marino, were bound to bar, and no some onions on Sopa, I want a promotion in our combi, and age 36 no, on Olivan Dosky, and also your fate, Yentiano.
I have to say that I was starting thinking about this to playing longer on the top level when I was 22, 23 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, because you cannot expect that if you change your nutrition, if you change your food, that you don't see difference after 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month. That at that time I say to myself, okay, I take this, why not?
What are you doing, gymnastics or?
Or different from the physical things, like starting to work on.
Yes, and I can't Brenning Teen, name of the American can say, Remarried our GDS, I look every canny game, no, one in the Ganis and Albo Rodrigo. I bet me I will be almost out of BM and some game against Liverpool. I may say almost say like Ganis Amachino, one of my Brian Diaz and some starters answer. I could done our form and your form. And no, I update about Lakers. Woman lose woman form fear. None of the American can say, Oma lose woman game. No, and the Orlando match too close. 119, 118. I know I game about synonymous. Who call I Formula 1 and Las Vegas. Woman Grand Prix. Or for celebrate some mountain. One every new practice one. Was out to pay I practice 2. I team sheet and as a time sheet, you know. I'm Orlando Norris and George Russell. Woman also second. And the third, respectively, no, as well the free F1 bound seminal, yet the Emir to Franco and I tell you, bah, a job.
Bronya drew obiemu e ba ne sei enyanka ne erisi na ya rehos Bible say the ohunu mo broni mo bon but the afem awrade enu nti na tara 1 media wa sompa komase sompa sunyane sompa nkransa afie bia ye de sompa ebrem na yenko aye ntumi esanse ba kofo nsa entimi nkate awrade ye to hu afre obi bia se sompa at 2024 e ba so live December bosumi nida etos dunkru e ye daya wada ye bebo dwatrada Sompa Kumasi, Swami, in Rome Hotel, opposite here, na fei, ekunafo.